Hit like and subscribe now.
What's up, guys? Purple Lotus Samsara. Hope you guys are all doing great out there, being safe, doing whatever you guys gotta do during this weird time. But anyway, today it's a beautiful day. Crossed the river, came into the city, and we're gonna get some awesome Indian food. Came out here yesterday, in fact. Made a video. Didn't know that my camera was stuck on some shitty angle. I reviewed the footage and I didn't like it at all. And the food was so good, figured we'd come back out here today. Got some Goan curry. It's a bunch of food trucks located right next to the college. They got Mexican, Vietnamese, they got Indian, they got Thai. I think they also have, they got some Middle Eastern stuff, some gyros and all that. So the Goan chicken curry was so ridiculously awesome, like pressure cooker style, spices, got it medium. I got some biryanis, I had some samosas, I had some Peshwari naan. So I'm pretty much gonna get all that stuff. I might not get samosas. I think I still got one or two left over yesterday. I got a lot. They even got some cold coffee, some iced chai, it's cold coffee. Tastes just like the ones in India. I was totally blown away. So we decided to come back today, get some of this stuff, and also get some of the Thai food. So two birds with one stone, two places, one shot. Gonna get some of that Thai food also. You check out all my videos about all the different biryanis from all over the world, Canada, US, Hawaii, all over India, and also lots and lots and lots of pad Thai videos. So we're gonna get after those, not those two things, but those two cultures today. Thai food and some Indian here, located this way at all of these food trucks. Quite a few people actually out here coming to this place here. I'm gonna see maybe like 10 of them. They just opened up maybe like an hour ago. So I'm taking a lot of time here looking at all of these. So many different ones. Right here. Kebabs. All kinds of different ones. There's so many here. If you look down this way, dosi rak. Lots of different Mediterranean, Persian, the Indian, having a really, really hard time right now. So after much debate, it's gonna come down to these two behind me. This pasta cart and the Indian place, Taste of India. Right here, this Thai pasta cart. So let's get to ordering. It's gonna be right from here, Old Taste of India, Thai pasta cart. Old Taste of India, Thai pasta cart. Go from here to here. It's gonna be super awesome. Seems to be the best ones here. Super good price too. Hello.
Hi.
Can I get the pineapple curry and crab rangoon and chicken pad thai? Pasta combo.
You want crab
$8.50.
rangoon, pineapple curry, what kind of meat?
You have tofu?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
How spicy?
Medium.
And then what else?
Chicken pad thai?
How spicy for the pad thai?
Medium.
Anything else?
Crab rangoon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's it.
So crab rangoon, pineapple curry with tofu and pad thai with chicken?
Yes.
$18.50.
Alright. And tip. Thank you. $18.50. Super good deal. 3 items. We're gonna wait for that. Now, again, tip. We can go ahead and get the Indian food here. Same one that we did yesterday with the Goa chicken curry and the biryani, which is gonna be, oh, excuse me, Super good. So this was definitely worth coming back. 100%. How's it going?
How about yesterday?
Oh,
Yesterday's
oh
dish?
yes, yes. That's why I'm back here today.
Thank you, sir.
Gonna get Goa curry,
How spicy?
medium.
Medium, right?
Yes. Vegetable biryani, Peshwari naan, plain naan, whole chai. No need rice in the Goa curry.
So rice, you said the plain naan, peshwari naan, and chai tea, right?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
No samosa today?
No samosa. Ridiculous. How long you have this here?
This one 20 years.
20 years. You from India?
Yeah.
What part?
More than India.
What state?
Haryana, district.
Oh, okay. I've
Kushetra.
been Haryana. Yeah. Yeah. Outside New Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. By
District of Kshetra, very historical place.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been there.
Been to Kshetra?
No, no. Haryana. Many times. Yeah.
I make it a papad for you.
Okay. Thank you. Ah. So we got all the stuff. The Thai food from the pasta cart. This ridiculous order of Goa chicken curry. He put in an extra piece of bread for me. And we're gonna get all this stuff, cross the bridge, cross the river, go back home, lay them out, try them out, and eat them. Okay, so now we made it back. 2 bags, Thai, Indian. I'm gonna open them now. Let's check it out. Let's get this light on. Check it out. What we got here. Lots of bags in here. Rotis, naans. That one's heavy. Rice. And okay, so I got all the stuff out. We have here this pumpkin curry, these crab rangoons, the pad thai from the Thai cart. This here, Peshwari naan, regular naan, vegetable biryani. This is the regular basmati rice. It came with this Goan curry. This is like another free papadum here that I got. Plate them and eat them. So we got the Indian part plated up. Goa curry, this Peshwari naan. I had it before in India. It is like sweet, like sweetened naan bread with like star anise or like spices. Sometimes they put raisins or cashews in them. This biryani is, let's try it. I tried it yesterday, and I think I still got some left over in there from yesterday, and I got some more. Like I said, went there yesterday. Shitty footage, shitty camera angle, and back there today. Oh, good spice in the chicken. I had some jalfrezi curry yesterday. Popular in the West Bengal state, Calcutta. Vegetable biryani, varies in different parts of India, different styles of biryani. Goan curry, made of coconut milk from Goa, like a beach state, coastal state. This is insanely good. I have this Thai food coming up here in a minute after I get through a lot of this Indian food. There's another naan bread here, just plain naan. Super fresh. Biryani has like some peas, cauliflower, pieces of broccoli, carrots, the yellowing from the saffron. Now, after demolishing this Indian food, like that's usually what happens, eat Indian food probably 20 out of the 30 days in a month, and the other 10 are filled with Thai. No, it's not. Eat Thai food a lot too. Let's try this. Some of that Goan curry still coming up here. A little bit spicy. Of course, what you're trying to look for, in my opinion, is the good texture of the noodles, the tamarind in the sauce, the amount of bean sprouts. Kind of got gypped in the amount of bean sprouts. Pad Thai, I think, should have a lot of bean sprouts. A little bit spicy for medium, though. This is more of a medium high in between. Chicken pieces are a good size. They usually look kind of like this, you know, strips. Lemon in there. Let me take one more bite. Let's try this. Here. This tofu pumpkin curry with the rice on the side. Let's see. Good color on the side. So this, not too bad. But we did wait like an hour before we got back here to eat them, which probably didn't make much of a difference, but it's okay. It's pretty good. This Pad Thai, one more bite. Food truck Pad Thai. There's no specific reason why I picked this one, because there was like 4 out of the 10 or 11 food trucks. I think 4 of them were Thai trucks. But I picked it because it was located right next to the Indian cart, so I could do both of them. But it's pretty good. It's not horrible. It's okay. It's pretty good. It's a little bit spicier than I would like. So, 2 places today. New Taste of India. When you go there, it says Old Taste of India. Along all of those food carts by the Portland State University. Cheap, ridiculously, insanely good, like world-class, authentic piece of this biryani here. Now, I got 2 of these now. So that's about it.